Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. The newest drone to land from DJI is the Air 2S. It brings a camera with a 1-inch sensor to the market in a drone priced at just under $1,000, but you'd probably want to invest in the Fly More package with extra batteries. DJI's Patrick Santucci.
We've also added upward sensors compared to the one that we announced last year. So I have one here, but you can actually see there's upward sensors on the top now. So this way you have added protection against obstacle detection.
And there are some very useful pre-programmed modes, like a new one called Master Shots,
which is essentially a program where you select a scene and the drone is going to fly up, create this flight path automatically, capture some unique camera angles and video, and come back to you with this cool little short clip called Master Shots.
Find more at DJI.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.